wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from east to west. I am Noah and this is Dream Again. Welcome, how are you? Today we're going to be learning a little bit about the weather. And in order to help with me is unfortunately not my idol. My idol is Christopher. Do you know who I'm talking about? It's Christopher Robin from Winnie-the-Pooh. But you know who is going to help us out with the weather? Yeah, you guessed it right. Winnie-the-Pooh himself! Woohoo! I'm so excited. Winnie is such a good friend of mine. So let me introduce him to you. Pooh, Winnie, come on, Winnie-the-Pooh, Pooh. Oh no, this is not good. Pooh, stop eating that honey. You're gonna get too fat. Kids, hold on one second. Pooh! Oh no, look at this. He ate all the honey. There's nothing more left. Uh-oh, this isn't good. This isn't good at all. No. Oh, what am I going to do now? Christopher is not going to be happy when he sees Pooh. Pooh, are you going to come out now? Yes, there you are. See, kids? This is Winnie-the-Pooh. And he already has his raincoat on. But wait, let me look outside. The sun's shining, Pooh. Why do you have your raincoat on? I don't know, Noah. When I left, it was all cloudy and I thought it was going to rain. Well, how about we dress you back into your red shirt? Doesn't that sound good? Hold on one second. Let me help you out. Okay, Pooh, now we're going to put you into your red shirt. So let's take off that coat. Put that to the side. We'll take off your boots and put you on. Let's see. Pooh. Oh no. Oh no. This isn't good. I can barely fit your t-shirt over your head. Pooh, you shouldn't have finished eating that honey. No. Oh no, Pooh. See, I told you, don't eat too much honey. Then it's too much honey in your tummy. You got too much in there. Now I can't fit your... There we go. Now lift up your arm so we can put it through your sleeve right there. That's more like it. And then let's put your other sleeve through your arm. Can you lift up higher? A little bit higher, Pooh. This is really difficult. There we go. Well, I think it kind of fits. No, not right there. I think we can do better. There we go. Pooh, you ate too much honey. Next time you have to share with me. And don't eat all of it. That's not good. There we go. Now that looks good. Let's show you to the kids. See? Winnie-the-Pooh looks good in his red shirt, doesn't he? Why, thank you, Noah. I feel comfortable. Are you sure? You ate way too much honey. We barely were able to put your shirt on. That was very difficult. I told you not to eat that extra bowl of honey. That was way too much. I'm sorry, Noah. I shouldn't have eaten that much. I know, you shouldn't have. And you know that I like honey. You should have shared with me. I'm sorry, Noah. You are right, because sharing is caring. Yes, correct. Sharing is caring. So, the next time, you're going to bring me some honey, right, Pooh? Of course, Noah. I will do better. I will bring you some honey. That's really nice of you. Thank you. Oh no! Did you see that thunder? Do you see the clouds? It looks like it's going to rain. Let's quickly put your raincoat and rain hat on again, so we won't get wet. There we go. And there we go. Let's make sure that you're really closed with your rain jacket because you want to be protected, right, Pooh? Oh, and what did we forget? We forgot your rain hat. So let me grab that right there and put on your rain hat because you don't want your head to get wet now, do you? Okay, so there we go. And then, what else is missing? Right, the boots. We still have your boots. So let's put on your boots as well. There we go, one boot. And the second boot. Right there. There. We got to make sure that coat is tight. And your shoes are on. Your hat's on. Good. Now we're ready for the rain. Look at this. You got the whole rain outfit. Now you can't get wet at all. And those boots will certainly make sure that any dirt or puddle you're going to walk through will keep your feet nice and warm and dry. Now we're ready. But wait, what about me, Pooh? I don't have a raincoat. Do you think Tigger has one for me? No? You don't think so? What about Igor? Oh, right. Igor always thinks no matter sunshine or a cloudy day, it'll rain. He probably wouldn't have one either. What about Rabbit? He's too small. And Piglet? Piglet is way too small too, isn't he? Yeah. So, what about Christopher Robin? Do you think I would be able to wear a raincoat from Christopher Robin? Why, of course, Noah. Why not? Oh, do you think we can go visit him? Yeah, and maybe he's going to tell us a story and we can go on an adventure. On an adventure? Whoa, that would be exciting. Quickly, let's go before it's going to start raining and then I won't have any coat. Maybe I should wear my hat for this one. Let me grab my hat here. There we go. And so now I'm ready to go with you to Christopher Robin. Are we ready to go? Yes? Let's go! Whee! Bye, kids! Bye! Bye! See you next time! And stay dry outside!
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
If you like what you see on Dream Again,
please hit the subscribe button.
like us!
And comment below.